Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the best vocal exercise for learning how to sing high notes. And you might be surprised because it's probably not what you think. In my honest opinion, the best vocal exercise for learning how to sing high notes is simple humming. This exercise can teach you so many things. First of all, it's so easy to feel any strain that happens. Second of all, it's so easy to feel the larynx go up if you do it wrong. And thirdly, if you have a break in your voice, you will immediately feel it and there is no way to cover it up. So if there's any weakness in your voice, especially in that break area and higher, you will feel it immediately and you will hear it immediately. So if there is no way to cover up your mistakes, you have to learn how to do things correctly with this exercise. It's also awesome because it's not very loud. And so if you've got problems with practicing singing, then this exercise can be great because you're not that loud. So you're not gonna wake up your neighbors or something like that. Another great thing about this exercise is that you cannot cheat your way through your bridge. You have to make the voice resonate higher. There is no way for you to keep the sound stuck here low in the mouth. You have to let it go higher because otherwise your voice will surely break. So you will need to figure out a way to let go of the strain, to keep the larynx neutral, and to let the voice turn over into your head. While keeping the vocal cord closure, keeping the sound full and resonant. So what I would encourage you to do is to every day practice humming. This can teach you so much, and really monitor yourself for any strain, for the larynx coming up, and make sure that the sound stays consistent and connected. If you learn to navigate the bridge with the humming properly, then once you open it up, and you will find that you have a very nice, resonant, full voice that you can use in your high register, that you can find using the humming. Yeah. If it's too difficult for you at first, then you can definitely do it staccato. What can really help you is getting that little bit of yawn sensation. This can really help you get that depth of sound, and then learn to close the chords in that lower larynx position, and then you can go back into humming. So I would really encourage you to practice this daily. This is a very underrated exercise that can change your voice. And whenever you have a song, a challenging song that you want to practice, if you can't hum it, then you can't sing it. So you can hum the song and see what you need to do to make it go into the right places, how your voice needs to react to a certain passage that gives you trouble. With the humming, instead of singing the lyrics, hum the melody and then put the words back in and see what you get. Now please give me a like if you found this video useful and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.